Well, he bataka me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
No, this is not just an album. This is an experience. Vybz Kartel X-rated, available worldwide on all digital platforms. Make sure you support good music. Vybz Kartel and Sharp Bass Music presents. You know the something go. Stream, view, support. Yeah man, now move settings nation. And no, we don't need no ladder. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah man, Jaden Chase, another one. We gonna bring another important reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now another one of viewers and subscribers, we're gonna discuss statements made by Wayne Chen about Vybz Kartel and the continued demonization of Vybz Kartel's legacy by members of the state and individuals connected to it. Now we're gonna also discuss the shocking situation where it take place with Dexta Daps and the attack in Florida. Now it clear from the video, Dexta Daps shake up by it. Know what I mean? Him said the first it happened to him. Him probably hear about it, but the first him witness it first hand. Of course, him couldn't hear what him have to say. And then we're gonna do a continue reasoning. Look and listen.
I'm not a fucking person, but me have to do this. I'm just the biggest racist act in my life. Never see another racist act so big yet in my life. Search for me see there, a place named Rock Bar in a Fort Lauderdale. Never see nothing so racist in my life ever. Right, that's up. Rock Bar, Fort Lauderdale. See that? Right on the beach. Biggest racist act. Me explain later. Big up to everybody on the live. You hear that?
Now let's get into the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. Now for those not in the know, Wayne Christopher Chen is the chairman, or was the chairman of Super Plus Food Stores, and also the chairman of CVM Television. Also chairman for the Southern Regional Health Authority, NCB, Cayman, West Indies Trust Company, you name it, even Jamaican Urban Development Corporation and National Land Agency. And shockingly enough, is also the co-author of Reggae Roots, the story of Jamaican music, published by Temple University Press. You ain't get no more connected to the state than that. Now his statement was, when Vybz Kartel did Clarks, every youth wanted a Clarks. True. He said, the same way Vybz Kartel sing about guns, youths will gravitate towards it. Dancehall artists can use music for upliftment and good, even protest and criticize, but not to promote violence. I must say this, viewers and subscribers. This is just another continued attempt by the state to further demonize Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, and try to place the responsibility of carrying the society forward squarely on his shoulders without electing him to be the prime minister. Now what do you mean by upliftment? Vybz Kartel recent release featuring Sika Rhymes, I Can. We no need for go no in-depth reasoning about uplifting songs. The one of Vybz Kartel's most recent tracks to date is a song speaking of upliftment to everybody, boy, girl, woman, and pitney, everybody. Him say protest. Songs like Emergency. The society has suffer round here. Man a drop out things tough around here. Mr. Man, what you doing for the gut around here? And him one of them people who ask that question there too. What him a do for the society? Clearly, even though being a chairman for all kind of organization across the Caribbean and across the island, Vybz Kartel has still done more for the culture and the people than these individuals. It is clear this statement from Wayne Chen was made in defense of Andrew Holness and his statements, viewers and subscribers, that dancehall music and certain key artists are at the root of our country's problems, and that is total craziness. Me not care nobody say that statement has no merit. This is not about music and its influence. This is what is at the root cause of the nation's problem. Not if artists are influential. That is not up for debate. Him specifically use Clarks because remember, we can attest to the fact that when teachers say Clarks, the price go up and in a drop back since. It just continue go up. So him use that. We say yes, the influence is there, which is true. But when have you ever heard Vybz Kartel promote the things them where him claim the dancehall artists are promote? Vybz Kartel has done the opposite. When more than one artist to do? An artist with the behind the bars. We have fight for more freedom. What more than one artist to do? When we have elected officials, we have members of parliament, we have councillor. We have for them job. We have for them role in moving the society forward. If a Vybz Kartel responsibility to move the society forward, then him shall be the prime minister. Is that what Wayne Chen is saying? Well, obviously not. Him just a try to shift the blame away from those who the blame should be placed on. We have elected officials which we have tasked, who followed out on the campaign trail and say yes, we have the solution. We know the remedy. We can cure the illness of crime. When the time forward up, they must say, boy, you know, say dancehall, a true dancehall, we can't do what we need to do. Which dancehall? I feel like we ain't need to issue an apology to Vybz Kartel. Because all of the things that we outline, when we feel like say people should be doing with the music, Vybz Kartel has done so. All of the things that we must say people should not do with music, Vybz Kartel has never done those things. So if you use him as an example in this case, no, it's wrong. And that is character assassination. If you see it. If you see it clearly for what it is, that's him I do. Why is it? Anytime that dancehall is discussed in a negative light, Vybz Kartel name is always the first name to be mentioned. But when we are talking about dancehall's accomplishment worldwide, the influence we have on rap superstars, the Quavo found on the island, first person link up with a popcorn. When dancehall music accomplish certain things, they not hear them mention the people who are at the forefront, the driving force for dancehall music and its upliftment. No. But anytime them want to say, alright, dancehall is what is wrong with the place, then the first face you see them put up out there, the first name them call is of course Vybz Kartel. Do something for the youths and create a other way. Create better options so the youths now have to turn to illegal and illicit activities for earn an income. And it's not just schools. Because when we certify everybody and have no jobs for give them, then what the end result? Structure the economy so we can have more entrepreneurs and them are going to employ people. These different areas that people are get skilled in are not jobs specific to the government. So of course, entrepreneurs have to go employ them to do these different jobs. Structure the economy so we can have a fruitful economy, so we can have the GDP a turn. We need to make sure so we are spending the money right as so. And these are the individuals who go school for political science and go school for economics. So all them don't know what the problem with the economy. All them not see what the problem, what the root cause of the crime and violence we have take place on the island. Them well and see and know. But the aim and the trick is to shift the blame, shift the attention. If you pay attention to the problem, then you will see what caused it. So them try to say, alright, quick and fast, but we think quick. Alright, dancer. So them must think about the problems there. But we see how them cause it. And we could say the people them work with it and run with it. Wrong result. People, there's no heavy backlash for the government. I say, what you know? Oh, when and where is dancehall the cause of our main problems? Dancehall are one of the things that may help people elevate themselves out of the ghetto. Artists, selectors, dancers, all of them can attest to this. That A dancehall them use for earn them income and move themselves out of the ghetto and take care of them friends and them family. And I give back to society. Same dancehall. A full time for the people, them see the leaders for what they are. They are individuals without a plan. Headless fowl run up and down on the island. They tell we say, do this and do that and it will help. And then when it fail, them tell we say, our fault. Anytime them tell we say, we're going to put some protocols, we're going to put some measures in place. And anytime them think they fail, them tell us, boy, the people, you know. And never we. It is never them. Think about it. It is never them. Always the people's fault. And all the time are the people in fault. There are some situations where the people man rule. You know that. But for the better part, the protocols them are put in place, viewers and subscribers, are not beneficial to the common man. Only them profit from the protocols when them put in place. Talk to me, I know the feel. Why is the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding them now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. You know the something go, you man out move settings fam. Now I mean my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love and prosper until we reason again.